First, start off with a pot of water and boil it on high heat. And once it starts boiling, add some oil and some salt. Now add the pasta of your choice. We are using penne. Now let your pasta cook in the water. As your pasta is cooking, slice one whole onion. Now add more vegetables. We are using yellow pepper. Now we are slicing half of a red pepper. For extra flavor and texture, we are adding chopped carrots. When your pasta is done cooking, strain it to remove all of the water. For an aromatic smell and flavor, we recommend adding garlic to your pasta. For extra heat, we are adding green chili peppers to our pasta. Now on medium heat, add oil to a frying pan. First, add your garlic to your frying pan. Make sure to saute the chopped garlic. Now add the meat of your choice. We are using shrimp, and add red onions. Now add in all of the vegetables on low heat and saute them for a few minutes.
Now add salt.
For a more complex flavor profile, try adding pepper. Now add your desired amount of tomato sauce into your frying pan and start sauteing it. We are also adding some cream sauce for an extra flavor. And now add your cooked pasta into your frying pan and saute that so every bit of pasta is covered with the sauce.
Finally, add Parmesan cheese and chopped basil.
And this is how you make restaurant-style pasta. Enjoy!